Namaste and welcome. Today we will be performing the Sun Salutation Surya Namaskar. We will do the easier version of it. We'll do only 3 rounds and you can share with me how you feel. This practice may seem very boring or easy in the first place, but when you perform it really with attention and you try your best, you feel the benefit that it brings. It warms up and works on all of the muscles. Me myself, when I was little and I was starting doing yoga, I really didn't like it. I preferred some positions where I had to stay for a longer time, some stretching. But with the passing of years, I understood that not only it's an amazing practice, if you especially don't have time to devote 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, 2 hours to yoga, you simply want to do something to your body in the morning before going to work or after a long day. It doesn't matter if it's called sun salutation. Performing it in the evening will do as much good. As well, there are many techniques for this particular practice. Today we will be performing one of them, and I would like to know what you think. Was it easy? Was it hard for you? Of course, practitioners, experienced one, they may even start their yoga practice with a sun salutation. But I encourage you not to try that unless you're really experienced, because your body needs to be prepared for that. If you're simply the beginner, you can try to start with Surya Namaskar practice. If it is too hard, by all means, you may have a look at other videos that I made and choose something easier for yourself. Slowly and steadily, you will get better, you will progress, and you will be able to do almost anything with your body. In order to start, let's go to the beginning of our yoga mat. As close as you would like, be sure that there is enough space in the back. And we'll start with a mountain pose with a Tadasana. You may open your eyes, leave them open, or you may close them. And we push our feet down and we stretch with our crown up. Hands are strong, pushing down, the kneecaps are pulled in. And this is important to understand if we're balanced and centered, that there is not too much weight on one leg or another, that the backbone is tucked, that we don't have too much arc in our spine. Do a couple breaths and we start the Namaste position, your palms united in front of your chest. We salute the sun. From here, with an inhale, we stretch up and arc a bit. Tail down with an exhale. Inhale, right leg back, gaze forward and up. Exhale, left leg to the right in the Adho Mukha Svanasana position. Now, hold your breath. Ashtanga Namaskara, knees, chest, and chin on the floor. With an inhale, we stretch up. Exhale, we go into downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg in front to the arms. Exhale, left leg to the right. Inhale, stretching up. And exhale, Namaste. You may do inhale and exhale one more time, and we start with another side. And inhale, stretching up. Exhale, bending down. Inhale, left leg goes back. Exhale, right leg goes back. Hold your breath. Ashtanga Namaskara, knees, chest, and chin to the floor. Inhale, stretching up. Exhale, Downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg in front. Exhale, right leg follows. Inhale, stretching up. And exhale, namaste. We did one round. Inhale, exhale. And we do the second. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, tail down. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold your breath, knees, chest, and chin to the floor. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, right leg in front. Exhale, left leg follows the right. Inhale, stretch up. And exhale, namaste. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Hold your breath, knees, chest, and chin to the floor. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, fold. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Tailbone up. Inhale, left leg front. Exhale, right leg follows. Inhale, stretching up. Exhale, namaste. And one more time, please do with your own speed. You may do it faster, you may do it slower. Try to breathe together with the movements. First, the breath starts, and then the movement follows. You start inhaling, and you move. Don't force too much. With practice, this will be so easy for you. And let's start. Inhale. And when you finish, you can check your pose in Tadasana, restore your breathing, do the full yogic breaths. Very well. I thank you for practicing with me. Please leave your comments if it was useful, if you like doing Surya Namaskar. And please also write if you would like me to explain something more in details and do another video. I will read everything and I will try to answer to all of your comments. I thank you so much. Namaste.